Thank you. Now, wait a moment. Come closer. Closer. I'm gonna hold your eyes for a moment. Okay. Now close your eyes. Hold on. It's gonna wait. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Look in there. Look in there. What do you see? Did you see? Did you see what's in there? In here, what you see is at the beginnings of an untouched small forest, right? So it's what we call a virgin forest. So this whole small area grew up by itself with its own will, its own intention, its own direction. And we haven't interfered at all. And it has there's sort of magical, pristine energy. And if you look in places like this, you will, not in this place because there's fences around this property, but if you had a place like this in the forest, the deers would make their pads somewhere in a very similar sort of location. If you look, you can understand why they would. Oi, dear.